without anybody's help. So let's do the first hairstyle. It's gonna be like a super duper high pony. And I have my fringes, so I'm gonna like put them down like that. So let's get all my hair up. There guys, I got it good. Now I'm going to take one of my elastic rubber bands I have here. I'm going to tie my hair. As I said guys, it's super duper high. Guys, if you don't have fringes, you can also just pull out a few strands of your hair. There guys, so I have like a super duper high puffy pony. It looks so cute when it's like this. So there guys, I have my high pony. Always remember to keep it super duper high. You can also accessorize your pony with a bow, a cute little hairband, or a scrunchie. And guys, if you don't have any of these accessories, you can also like take a little piece, a little portion of your hair from the bottom of your pony. Like a little. That should be good. Take this portion and make a simple braid out of it. There guys, the braid is done. You have to secure it with any color elastic rubber band. After you finish doing the braid, you have to wrap the braid around your pony. Now guys, you have to secure this with a bobby pin. There, I think it's secured now. Now, you can puff up your ponytail. Now, I'm going to brush the ends. And I'm going to comb my fringes. And you guys can comb your strands of hair if you don't have fringes. Now, let's go to the next one. Guys, for this hairstyle, you have to do a normal metal partition. There. And now you take your hair and just like twist it. Now guys, you have to secure it with a bobby pin. There, that should be secured enough. Guys, now let's do the next side. Same thing I'm going to do. Okay. There. Now I'm going to do it. Now I'm going to secure it with a bobby pin. There, I think it's secured. Wasn't it simple, guys? It is so cute. Now let's go to the next one. For this hairstyle, guys, you can take a few strands of your hair on both sides. And then take all your hair and put it in one side. Any side you like. And then you can tie a simple cute braid. I'm securing it with an elastic rubber band. Take a few strands on either both the sides. I love this hairstyle, guys. Isn't it easy? These are such simple hairstyles, guys. You can do this without anybody's help. I hope you like this hairstyle.